Frida and I are going to Ottawa for the weekend for some photography things. Vague photography things. I'm gonna pack my toiletries bag. I got this little zippered pouch from Muji a few years ago when I started traveling for work, and I just really like it for my toothbrush. I think it's meant as a toothbrush holder. It costs about $10, and honestly it's great because it actually lets your toothbrush breathe and it lets everything dry in there. It's never gonna focus. I really like this toothpaste. It is the Crest Pro Health Gum Detoxify. If I can find this again, I would buy it. It just makes my mouth feel really clean. All right, so this is a horrible angle, but I don't know what else to do right now. This used to be an insert into like a travel pouch from Lululemon, but now it just is like disgusting and gross. But I've used this for so long, and this is where all of my liquids are gonna go. So let's see if we can fit everything into here. I'm gonna put in this Briogeo Farewell Frizz. It's a leave-in conditioner spray. Really like this stuff. Big fan of Briogeo. I normally put on like some sort of essence or some sort of like facial mist. I happen to have like a travel size of this Tatcha, the Satin Skin Mist. It's not like my favorite, but that's what's going in here. I have this Monet Lash and Brow Serum. I've been using that for like a year or so. Summer Fridays for my lips. As well as this little bundle of different assortment of skincare things and hair things. And then this little eye cream, I guess, can go into the front as well with this little Midnight Recovery Oil. As you can see, I just have like an assortment of stuff. I don't really want to bring these, but I also don't want to put anything into little containers. I have the containers. I have these little squeezy containers. They're silicone. You can buy these on Amazon. This is actually way too much if you're planning on washing your hair every 2 days or so. This will last you probably about a week or more, depending on how much hair you have. But every time I put product into here, I just feel like I never take it out and then dries up in there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these little sample size bottles that I have of Briogeo Scalp Revival. It's not that I need scalp revival at the moment, but also this product is great, but it's just convenient. So I'm gonna do this. It's lazy. It's so funny packing for this trip and like just realizing how different of a person I am compared to who I used to be when I was packing for a trip. Like, this feels minimal, even though it's still like pretty maximum. But there's so much space in here. Like, I'm not actually bringing that much stuff. This is the Away Weekender tote, and I feel like part of me is like, I can be this girl. This is all I have. We're only gone for 4 days, but the other half's like, you need more stuff than that, and I don't know who to satisfy. Man, I've become the worst packer ever. I'm trying to decide for masks, but I can't. So I'm bringing all of these COVID things, you know? And also, I collected these like little bottles of hand sanitizer when I used to travel with Air Canada. I think I don't know if they're too small or if they're like the perfect size. There's a lot of people here. We went on a road trip. We're in Ottawa. Hello, we're here for undisclosed reasons. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Because it's bib wearing time. How did you do? Because it's been summer. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Delicious. Oh hey, it's Editing Christine popping in here. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for spending your time with me. Thank you for watching. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe, hit that like. If you're interested in seeing what we were actually doing in Ottawa, I know this vlog makes it seem like our Ottawa trip was really boring. I promise you it wasn't. We were doing something really cool, and I'm gonna do a story time in the next video. So if you guys wanna stick around for that, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and I will see you then. Bye.
I don't got time to be thinking about things we can't figure out. Maybe I'm better off better without you and your dirty mouth. I don't know how everything went south. We're just so different now. I wanna go high, just wanna go high, but you keep pushing.